Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing unboxing. Of course, unboxing after unboxing. I'll be unboxing and sharing with you this my luxury Boujee bag, like my third favorite bag. And hey, if we are just meeting, my name is Tora. I'm a fashion blogger and I love fashion. I'm also an entrepreneur, and right here on this platform I share my affordable, budget friendly, cheap items varying from fashion to beauty to household items. If that sounds like something you might be interested in, then you definitely want to keep on watching, like and subscribe to my channel. So let's get right into this one. Here comes the bag. Because this bag is not new, I don't have box right here or anything, just the start clothes that I came with, and that's it. And this bag used to be my favorite bag. Let me show you. Yeah, Prada or nothing, baby. Prada or nothing. Let me show you guys what this bag really looks like. Like, can you see the detail? Yeah. So the story behind this bag is that I wanted this bag so bad that I wanted the nude, but I'm like, oh, the nude won't show, let me go for something really popping. And on getting this color, I'm like, whoa, you can't literally just pick it up and style. You have to probably think about how to wear it and how to combine it, and that is why it's not my favorite anymore everyday bag. And before I move forward, disclaimer, this is a Boujee on a budget video replica. If you don't like, you might just want to skip this video and watch my other videos. Thank you. Now let's continue. This bag used to be my favorite. Like I said, I still love this bag. I love the fact that it is really sturdy. If you can see, it is sturdy, the structure, everything about this bag I really love. But I would have preferred to go for another color. This is actually cute. It's not as if you can't style it. You can actually style it, but I just prefer it to be neutral color. Yellow is out there shining. I want to style this with a black dress, understand? So look at this. It comes like this. Prada. Let me see if we can see this. Yeah, Prada. And also right here is Prada, and the inside is just like this. There's no zip. So according to the original Prada bag, they said this Prada bag tote is crafted in Saffiano leather. It features a double hand, detachable shoulder, which I actually showed you guys, and colorful nappa lining. All are scented with gold toned hardware and the Prada logo. So guys, this is what they're talking about. This one right here, can you see? Yeah, that's what they're talking about. So, and it came in with this sackcloth, the structure, and it is really, it's one hard bag, like hard. This is the inside. Like, there's nothing inside aside from obviously the strap. This is the strap. So guys, this one, I love everything about this. I love it. I love the structure. The inside is like this. Like, there is no zip inside. There's one other Prada bag that looks like this. That one has zip. I'm going to put the picture right here so you check. I mean, it's also nice. It's really beautiful, but I prefer this one without zip inside. It's lovely. Can you all see beautiful flower right there? If you haven't watched my video on how I made this flower box right there, make sure you do. I'm going to leave the link to it right here so you watch. So this bag is actually called Prada double bag. And the original price cost about $3,200. So I mean, you can buy it for that price, or if you are interested, you can DM me. So moving on, this is the strappy leather. I think I just carried it once. So this is what the strap looks like. So, and one thing I really love about this bag is this side of the bag, this inner. I just love the fact that there's enough space right here and here too. So you just close it like this. You can put something there, just not an open bag that you can't really put something somewhere else. You understand what I'm saying? So what else do I love about this bag? I love the fact that it is sturdy. It is hard. Like, this bag will still be like this. And this is the back of the bag. I've really used this bag like once, like I said. I don't really use the bag. And a lot of things can fit into this bag. Let's start with, you know, a camera can fit into this bag. A whole shoe can fit into this bag. And there will still be space, guys. I'm just even using one part. I've not even used this other part. Let's say a book can fit into this bag also. And there's still like enough space, like, and you still carry it just like that. Like, there's a lot of space in this bag, and I love it. I love luxury bags, like I do. I don't have money, but me say what they do. I don't have money, but they do. So I love this bag. I really love it so much. It's not my favorite bag, but I love it. I would have preferred I choose another color, but hey, it's nothing. It's still something that I can rock and, you know, use, and it's very pretty. Let me know if you like something like this. Guys, that'll be all for today. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. You know, it helps me to know the kind of content you want to see on my channel. Like, share my video. Comment below if you like this bag, and if you also prefer it in another color, let me know in the comments below.